Now, question number 4a. 4a says 625. 625. 625. We need to write these numbers as a power of 5 as simply as possible. So, what is 625? If I want to do the prime factorization method, then what can we see? 625 divided by 5 will be 125. Again, divide by 5, it will be 25. Again, divide by 5, it will be 5. So instead of 625, we can write it will be 5 to the power 4. Question number B says 25 to the power minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 5 cubed. Instead of 25, we can write 5 squared. So here we can write 5 squared multiplied by minus 1 by 2 into 5 cubed. So after cancelling 2 and 2, we can write 5 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 5 cubed. So both bases are same, so we can add the power. Then our final answer will be minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. So 5 squared will be the final answer of this problem. Now, question number C. Question number C is 0.2. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. So after cancelling 10 by 2, we can write 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 5 to the power minus 1. Now, question number D. Question number D says 125 to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 3 divided by 25 squared. So what does 125 means? 125 can represent as 5 cube. We have already seen this one. So instead of 125, I'm writing 5 cube multiplied by 3 by 2 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 3, and 25 represent 5 squared. So here we can write divided 5 squared, that means 5 to the power 2 into 2. Here in this 2 index form, we have a multiplication sign, so we have to add the power. So it will be 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus 3. For division sign, here we can give a negative sign, that means power will be negative, that means 2 2s are 4. Then we need to do the solution. 5 to the power 2 is our denominator, so 9 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 8. So what will be the final answer? 9 minus 6 will be 3. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. So 5 to the power minus 5 by 2 will be the final answer of this problem. Now, question number E. 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power n can be written as 5 to the power 4 minus n. And question number F. 25 to the power 3n. 25 to the power 3n multiplied by 1 to 5 to the power n by 3. 25 can be written as 5 square, so 5 square into 3n multiplied by, what does 1 to 5 means? 5 cube. So 5 to the power 3 into n by 3. After cancelling 3 and 3, we'll get our final answer, that is 5 to the power 2 into 3 is 6n. We are adding the powers here n. So 5 to the power 6n plus n will be 5 to the power 7n. And that is the final answer of question number F. Okay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5 says, write each of these in the form 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b. So 5a, 24. 24, if I want to find out the prime factors, or if we can express 24 as index form, we can say 24 by 2 will be 12, 12 by 2 will be 6, 6 by 2 will be 3. So instead of 24, we can write 2 cube multiplied by 3 to the power 1. So it looks like this value. Now, question number B, 6 square multiplied by 4 square. What does 6 square mean? 6 represents 2 into 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 whole square into 4 square, 4 represent 2 square, so 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2. Here we can write 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 2 to the power 2 to the 4. Now we need to add the power of base 2, that will be 2 to the power 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3 square. Then final answer will be 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 square. And that is the solution of question number B. Now question number C. Question number C says 18 to the power 1 by 3. So 18 can be written as in that way by using prime factorization method. 18 divided by 2 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3. So instead of 18, we can write 2 multiplied by 3 square to the power 1 by 3. Now, if I multiply the power by power, then what will you get? 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 3 will be 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 3 will be 3 to the power 2 by 3. And that is the solution of question number C. Now, we can say question number D. This is 4 by 9. So here 4 by 9, instead of 4 we can write 2 square. Instead of 9 we can write 3 square. So here the final answer will be 2 square multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now question number E. Question number E says 13 whole 1 by 2. So this one is the mixed fraction. So if I want to convert this mixed into improper, we can write 13 to the 26 plus 1, 27. Instead of 27, we can write 3 cube. Here 2 represent 2 to the power 1. So we can write the final answer in that way. 1 by 2 or 2 to the power negative 1, both are same, multiplied by 3 cube. Since the question says we need to convert in that way. Okay. Now question number F. 12 to the power 2n. 12 represent what? 12 can be divided by this way. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So instead of 12, we can write 2 square multiplied by 3 to the power 2n. So 2 to the power 2 to the 4n multiplied by 3 to the power 2. And that is the solution of question number F. Now, question number 6a. X cube multiplied by x square. So here we need to add the power. So x to the power 3 plus 2 will be x to the power 5. Question number B says x to the power n plus n will be x to the power 2n. Here the division sign is there, so we need to subtract the power. Then what will happen? X to the power 3 by 2. For division sign, we need to add a minus. Okay. And here the power is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is there. Now x to the power 3 by 2 minus into minus will be plus 1 by 2. So x to the power 2 is our LCM. Then we need to add the power. Then it can be written as x to the power 4 by 2. After cancelling 4 by 2, it will be 2. So x square will be the final answer. Now question number D. Question number D says x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5. It can be written as in that way. X to the power 5 by 2. Okay. Now question number E says x to the power 4 multiplied by x multiplied by x to the power 1 by 2 divided by cube root of x square. So here we can write x to the power 4 into x, that means x to the power 1 into x to the power 1 by 2, representing this way. 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 divided by x to the power 2 already given. Here cube root means the power will be multiplied by 1 by 3. Now we can say x to the power. If I calculate this part, 4 plus 1, that is 5 So 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. For this fraction sign, we have to give a subtraction sign here because we need to subtract the power. So 2 1s are 2 by 2. Okay. Now we need to calculate 11 by 2 minus 2 by 3 in this way. 11 by 2 minus 2 by 3. We know that we need to multiply the denominator by some number so that we can find out the LCM of 2 and 3. We can already find out LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now what will be the final answer? 3 to the 6 or LCM. So 33 minus 4 will be 29. So my final answer will be x to the power 29 by 6. Now number F. Number F says root over of root over x multiplied by x cube divided by x. So instead of this fraction, we can write square root of x will be x to the power 1 by 2 plus x cube. From this power we can write plus 3 minus 1. So here 2 is our denominator. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 5 by 2. So right now, if I want to remove the square root, then we need to multiply the power by 1 by 2. So the final answer will be x to the power 5 by 4.